Engine on the floor. Stop the clock. Alright guys, Pitbikesonic here, and in today's video I'm just going to give you an update on what happens over the winter really. It's a bit hard to get content this time of year because obviously not doing too much riding, but today we're just having a look at the CW after the final round at Three Sisters and all the things we're going to do over the winter with it. So one or two upgrades to go on, not too many because the bike's pretty well sorted already, to be honest with you, but we have got a few little upgrades that we're going to be getting up to. But today we're going to be getting the engine out because it's winter. I know we only had the engine in at Wilton Mills, so it's only done 2 rounds, but we're going to get the engine out, get it over to Sean and just give it a check over. It was a brand new engine. If any of you guys know what these Chinese engines are like, every single one is different. Some of them are put together a little better than others, so we're going to get it out, get it over to Sean next weekend and get him to have a good look over it, see if there's anything that we can improve on it, just little things like that really. And also we're going to go pick up the AMR engine from Sean as well, which has had a full rebuild after I found so many problems with it. That bike has been a nightmare for what it was. It was meant to be a nice quick turnaround, make a bit of money, but unfortunately it hasn't been. It's been an absolute nightmare. So we're going to go pick that engine up off Sean while we drop the CW engine off. So yeah, we're going to take this engine out. I'm going to time it. I'm going to see how quick I can get a engine out of a CW, see how quickly I can do it. Also guys, if any of you are interested in it, I've got a few things here that I need to get rid of. I've got a set here of Oxford's leathers. They're in pretty good condition. They've never been crashed in, but they are white, so they're not in the best condition because they are a few years old. They are a size 46. They're about my height, but if you're a little bit more tubbier than me, they would be a perfect fit. I've also got a Knox back protector and chest protector that all fits together, like velcros into the track vest, and that is a size medium, but there's loads of adjustment on it. So if you're like the same height and figure as me, then it'd be perfect for you. If any of you guys are interested in these, I don't want a lot of money for them, low prices. Just get in contact with me on Facebook, comment underneath, or Instagram or anything like that. Right, so let's get the engine out of the CW. Let's go. As you can see guys, the bike is a bit of a mess because the Friday at Clay was very wet and muddy, so bike is a bit of a mess, you can see, but we're going to get that engine out now. Yeah, and just get it all sorted. Let me show you one of the upgrades that we have got for the bike. Pretty much the only upgrade that I'm going to be doing on the bike this winter. So this is what we've got. We have got the Brembo caliper to go on the CW, and the best thing about this, Parker doesn't make it anymore. It has got the Parker bracket on it. So this, as you can see, matches up with those holes perfectly, and with some spacers that I've got to get made up, that will slide straight on. I was going to go for the formula system that you can buy off Parker. Well, he is currently out of stock at the moment, but this is a hell of a lot cheaper. You can get one of these Brembo calipers, even with the Brembo original bracket. With a bit of modification, these do go straight on, so you don't have to try and find one of the Parker brackets that he no longer sells anymore. You can stick these straight on, and you can get these on eBay for like as little as 25 quid, and this will improve your braking no end. They come off a Yamaha YZF 125, I believe, which I think is a motocross bike. So get on eBay, get looking for one of these. These are a massive upgrade. I've got this on my my own M2R CR70 bike, which you will see what I use in the hot laps, and literally from getting off that with the Chinese caliper and then getting onto that, the braking performance is absolutely brilliant. So a massive brilliant upgrade for your pit bike, and it's not going to cost you a lot of money as well. It's even better as well if you team it up with a Hell brake line and a decent master cylinder, which I probably will be getting for this as well. So, and if you can also upgrade, if you upgrade the disc, front disc as well, your braking will just come on phenomenally, and it will absolutely knock seconds off your lap time. So yeah, get on it, guys. Right, let's get this filthy dirty engine out of the CW. Right, I'm ready to go. Let's see how quick we can get this pit bike engine out. I've got all my tools ready. Hopefully we ain't got to run in and get some more. I'll start the timer at the minute my first tool hits the bike, and we're going to start off by taking the exhaust off. So, are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't worry, I'll speed this up to save you guys sitting here watching it. Exhaust off. Next up, we'll do carb. I'll have to bring you round here, guys. I know this doesn't matter because obviously it's not connected to the bike, but I still like to get it off so it's in a safe place instead of hitting against the engine when I take off. The last thing I want to do is damage the carb. So carb off, we'll put the needle end somewhere safe so we don't bend that. Tuck that away over here. All the pipe work and catch bottle off. Next thing, catch tray. One catch tray off. Bottom catch tray bolts have got to come all the way out because obviously they're part of the engine mount. Right, next off, back round the other side, we'll get the chain off next. We use quick link chains, so it's really easy to do. Find the link, put it in gear. Give it a touch with a hammer. Make sure you don't lose it. Give it a wiggle. Off. Off. One chain removed, all done. Next up, let's get the electrics done. I've got my electrics on quick release, so hopefully it'll be nice and easy. Just unclip it from underneath the bodywork here, from where I've clipped it up. Try not to go through the wires. There, all unclipped. Right, I think we've just got the engine mounts to do now, and the clutch assembly, and then I think the engine's out. We're doing this in good time, boys. Right, that's the clutch cable disconnected, last two engine mounts, and I think we're there. Alright, get yourself underneath. Engine on the floor. Stop the clock. What time did I do it in? What's that? Just under 10 minutes. Not bad going. And that is how you get a pit bike engine out. Right guys, so that is how quick you can get a pit bike engine out. Yeah, I probably did that quicker than I have ever personally done it myself. To do it in around 10 minutes, I'm pretty happy with that. So right, now this engine is going to go off to Sean's at the weekend. Like I said, we're going to go pick the AMR one up when we swap over for this one. We're going to go through that. We might go through it on the day, so we might take it apart and I'll show you what's happening inside this engine and see if it's been good. It did seem quick at Three Sisters, so at the final round when we rode it, so fingers crossed. And Three Sisters is a really good track to gauge whether you have got a quick engine or not, because you've got those bloody long straights. So yeah, we're going to go take it to Sean's now, take it apart, see what it's like. He's not going to be very happy with me because in my eagerness to do this video, I forgot to take the oil out, but I'll take a spare bottle with me and I'll empty it when I get there. But yeah, under 10 minutes, doddle. Takes a bit longer to get it back in, not a lot. It does help if there's two of you to get back in just to shuffle it into place, but you can do it on your own. So yeah, cheers guys for watching this video. It's just a quick one, just if any of you guys wanted to see how quick you could do it. But cheers guys for watching. Speak to you at the next one. Bye.